my goodness, we are right here in the test kitchen.
Hey, Lauren.
The Bistro 1907 test kitchen on the road today. Mark Canzonetta.
How we doing?
I'm good. Adam Keck.
Hello, how are you?
I am great.
Hometown hero, Warren, Ohio, right here.
We are so proud of you, Adam.
Thank you.
We really are. Everything
really
that you guys.
Some serious lawnmower fixing duties today. But
That's okay. That's okay.
Well, that's kind of what we're doing. People
And
are.
congratulations on your
Yeah.
first year.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah, it's
Good for
always
it.
great when somebody makes it through their first year. We know how difficult that is in business.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. Yes, we most certainly do. And
So what are we doing?
I was gonna say we are talking about the great things that people put on the grill. And over the past year that you've been in business, this Bistro 1907 burger,
The
paired
Bistro Burger has
with
just been killing
perfect
it.
beer, which is
Yeah.
yours, in all
yeah.
honest opinion.
Yeah.
Has been killing it, man.
Yeah, so I'll talk about building the perfect burger while Adam can talk about what goes with the perfect burger. You know, for me, start off with a great burger blend, whatever your dietary needs are. You can do a veggie burger, but we like a drippy, greasy burger. So we have a 73-27 blend. That means it's 27% fat, 73% meat. Okay, and
All
that's
right.
chuck, short rib, and brisket all ground together. We have a great brioche bun. We got some Gruyere cheese, some American cheese, really, really thinly sliced vegetables. We have thin red onion, thin tomato, thin iceberg lettuce. I love bread and butter pickles on my burger. I know some people like dill. I love bread and butter. And we have some ancho chili aioli. But Adam, what would complement all this madness together to go with one of your beers?
You know, I'm kind of struck by the Gruyere cheese plus American cheese, a little bit
Sure,
of
sure.
down-home American cooking plus fancy stuff.
Absolutely, absolutely.
To me, the perfect summer beer is a nice Pilsner, a nice lager.
Absolutely.
So we brought Darlene. That's our old school American lager. Kind of blends the Czech influence with corn.
All
Lightens
right.
the body. Good, easy drinking. Nice kiss of Czech noble hops at the end.
Awesome, awesome. So I'm gonna start this burger.
Please
No,
show
I
us
love
why
doing a
this
smash
makes it
burger. You know,
so
it's kind of an homage to
Good.
a friend that had passed away, Mike Harden at Hodad's in San Diego. What a great guy. You know, he's the king of the smash burger. You know, then I was blessed to go on to work for Guy Fieri. So, and Guy does a smash burger. But one of the most important things is once you have your burger blend, you have to season the ball. Okay, you really do. So you want to be liberal with your salt and pepper on
most
there.
people, like,
they
put it
don't.
all
This
the
is
way
where they
through.
fit.
This
You know,
is
you don't want
right.
to do that. You just
people,
want the
mix it
outside.
together.
Yeah. So we're just going to season that nice.
Do you want me to help you?
No, we're good.
Are you sure?
And now we're going to turn around real quick and we're going to go over to the griddle. You know, we're going to put this down and we want to let this cook for about 90 seconds because we want to build up a bark
In
on
the
the
ball?
on the ball.
We're not flattening it yet.
We're gonna build up that bark because what we're doing is we're caramelizing the proteins in the meat, the sugars in the meat. We're building what's called Maillard, and then we're gonna smash that down in a little bit. We're gonna come back and we're gonna build a burger.
Oh my gosh, Mark. See, things you didn't even know, right here.
And you have to have this. You have to have that smoke. You got to have that heat, and then we're gonna smash it down.
Sounds good. We'll be right back.
All right.
Mark, the smashing, the smoke,
I know,
the
right?
cheese,
The fire.
the fight, right?
You gotta have a little fire. If you're not cooking with fire, you're not cooking.
Amen,
So what we
brother.
also did, we couldn't show you on cameras, we took those beautiful brioche buns, we rubbed them down with a little bit of roasted garlic butter, and we took the time to cook them on both sides. We have a toast on the top. You know, my dear friend Guy Fieri used to call that the kiss, and then we also have the toast on both sides of that. So now we're gonna lay down a little bit of ancho chili aioli that we make in-house at the restaurant to give it that little bit of kick, because I love a little bit of kick, because what we're gonna do with it after the ancho chili aioli, we are gonna put down some bread and butter pickles, my absolute favorite. As a kid growing up, my grandma used to make these herself. We're gonna put those down.
I think it's the fact that everything is so thinly sliced.
It is. That's the
other
key
than
to
the
it.
Pickle.
That's the key to it. Because that way, if you don't like something, you're going to like it here. So we're going to put the onions down first after the pickle. Because what we want to do is once that hot burger goes on top, it's going to steam those onions. So it's a little bit kind of like White Castle when they do theirs. And plus, it's going to take that raw bite out of it. Now we're going to look at that smash burger. Look at how it goes outside the edge of the bun. And that's what we really wanted to do. Because you want to show your guests or your clients at your restaurant that you're giving them a great value, a great burger. And if it's not juicy and dripping, you don't have a great burger.
This is why everybody orders this on your menu.
I know. Then
Myself included.
that thin lettuce.
I will.
Why shredded there?
I love the shredded because you know what? When you bite into a piece of leaf lettuce and it rips, you know, plus this is giving you that extra dimension. taste to me, cooking to me, being a chef to me is all about taste, texture, temperature, all those different things
Bring it
together.
all together.
Now we're gonna put that beautiful tomato on. You wanna make sure you have a vine ripened tomato. If you don't have a vine ripened tomato, put those tomatoes in a brown paper bag over top your refrigerator for a couple days. The ethylene gas in those will get those nice and ripe. So now, again, we're gonna put some more ancho chili aioli on top. Thanks, Lauren.
You're welcome.
Double it up.
Double it up, because you want those layers of flavor. Everything's about building layers of flavor. Just like that. And Adam, you got some beer for us to go with this, brother? Because I think that's what we're gonna need.
It's
I was gonna
summertime
say,
burger
nothing better
season.
than this.
Let's do like a German.
Look at that
season.
I
burger.
could just eat this.
Look at that.
Mark, this is so perfect. Adam,
Oh, dripping there.
it is, I was just
caught
saying,
fire, you're dripping, no big deal. I'm taking this one.
that is,
Guys, grab a burger.
I was saying,
Scrappy
that
German or German Hefeweizen.
All right.
Germans drink this all summer long in beer gardens.
You guys take that one. Lauren, you take that one.
can I cut it in half? Or else-
No.
Oh,
no.
my
You know,
mom's gonna get mad at
I don't
me.
care if your mom gets mad at you.
Okay,
Your mom's
you
not
can call
here.
her then.
So now you just have to do. You have to get a position. You have to get a stance.
This is
You have
it.
to- and then you have to get a position.
Oh wow.
And just get in there. Crunch, beefy, cheesy, rich, garlicky.
A little greasy.
It's so good. It's so good.
That's because we use that 73-27 ground beef, 73% meat, 27% ground beef. You can request it from your butcher. With this beer,
What's this one?
That's Darlene. Crisp, clean Darlene.
what a great kickoff to
Same
the
way?
summer, my brother.
Heck yeah.
Congratulations again on your first year. You're welcome back anytime.
We appreciate
Yeah,
it.
keep making beer,
Cheers.
okay?
Cheers, man.
And you keep making burgers, would you please?
Well, we're always going to make burgers.
Bistro
Next time
night-
we shoot one of these, we're going to be outside on the new grill.
Sounds
The new
good.
test kitchen outside.
I can't wait. Bistro1907.com for all of these videos. Anybody that's watching us on Valley Spotlight, thank you. And Mark,
Oh, thank
we,
you.
we couldn't do it without you guys.
Oh.
You either. You were
No,
one of our first.
It's all about
so.
hometown. It's about
Hey, cheers.
producing great things in our valley.
There you go.
I'm going right back to this